If you take a look at the markets, it seems like we're set up in the markets optimistically ahead of this election. What exactly is at stake for India?
There's a lot at stake, Naina. 900 million voters will be deciding the destiny of this country in the next 5 years. Today, of course, the elections are for about 91 seats across 20 states. What's at stake for Prime Minister Modi and the BJP they will be hoping for a repeat performance of 2014 when they emerged as the single largest party. For Rahul Gandhi's Congress party and the principal opposition party, they've been galvanizing the opposition together to ensure that Prime Minister Modi does not come back to office. What will happen? Well, we'll have to wait till the 23rd of May to figure that one out. Suffice to say, it's going to be a close call.
It certainly looks as it's going to be a close call. Just the numbers involved in this election are sort of hard to almost imagine. What will be the most important issue in this election? Will it be the promises that he made to farmers? Will it be the promises that he made about employment? Is it going to be about the economy?
Matters, I grew up in India, which was always known to be inclusive, to be secular, and to be diverse. That idea of India has come under test by an aggressive form of nationalism in the last 5 years. This election will prove which way India goes forward, and this election will decide what India believes in here on. Having said that, this election is also going to be less about a larger national narrative and more about local issues and what works politically at a local level. Therefore, smaller parties, regional parties and alliances will perhaps hold the key on who's going to form the government at the center. There are national issues such as on the economic front, the growth slowing down, jobs not being there, agrarian crisis. But elections in India work largely on emotions, and local issues and local emotional connects will matter a lot more.